In this video, I'll show you how to get your API key from Monday.com. Once you're signed into your Monday account, move your mouse to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Developers. On the left side of the developer page, click on API Token. Here you'll find your personal API key, which you can use to start building apps or connect Monday.com to other platforms. Make sure to keep this token secure and never share it publicly, because it gives access to your account data. If you ever think your key has been exposed, you can click Regenerate to create a new one. Keep in mind that regenerating your token will disable the old one and may interrupt any existing integrations. You can also click Show to view the full key or copy it directly to your clipboard for use in your projects. And that's it. That's how you get your API key from Monday.com safely and securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Monday.com and integration tutorials.